We're here with Richard Gunney, who's a Football Development Officer at the Welsh Football Trust. Richard, firstly, some exciting news about futsal in Wales.
Yeah, we're really excited. We've announced that the FAW will be launching FAW Futsal League starting from October next season, which will be a really exciting development for Welsh football and Welsh futsal. So we now have a cup competition in place that's been going for 3 seasons. That leads into the UEFA Futsal Cup, so teams can then go and compete in Europe. And now we feel we're at a stage now where we can have get some good structures in place for an FAW Futsal League, where players can play and compete at national level, the exit route of Europe, and also maybe even selection to represent the national team as well.
So futsal has developed very quickly in the last few years in Wales. And will you just tell us a little bit about the journey that futsal's been on and the work that's gone into the development of the sport here?
Yeah, it's we're trying to put in good structures in place so that the game can grow and develop, so we can raise awareness of the benefits of futsal at the grassroots level. So for young players, it's a chance for them to keep playing, have fun and enjoyment. Maybe when the games are postponed due to poor weather conditions, they can go indoors, keep playing, keep having fun. But it's also the nature of the game is good technically and tactically to help them continue developing. So at the grassroots, we've got some structures in place to really help the players develop, and then now we're looking for developments at the senior level for players, a pathway in place for teams to develop and progress that way.
That maybe considering getting involved in futsal and getting involved in the league, what benefits will those individuals and teams see?
Yeah, we've had some really good interest from teams and clubs so far, and what we want to see is good club structures in place, so that teams can have really competitive fixtures, an exciting sort of playing standard. For coaches, it's a chance for them to pit their wits tactically against each other and try and manoeuvre their way as part of a national league. And for players, it's a chance for them to showcase their talent. So there's like I say, pathways into Europe, and with a national squad playing international fixtures and UEFA and FIFA competitions, the best players will get selected to play in the national squad, which is a fantastic opportunity to play for Wales and represent your country at futsal.
And what is the ultimate goal for futsal in Wales? I mean, I know a number of nations have been developing futsal for a long time. What benefits do you think those teams and countries see?
Yeah, we want to see good structures in place so that from the grassroots all the way up to the seniors, there's opportunities for people in Wales to take part and be a part of futsal. So it's good for Welsh football in the sense of we want to have our grassroots children have a chance to play futsal as part of the season, but also at the senior level, it being an exit route for those players that maybe don't make the grade in football. They can still have those exciting opportunities to, like I say, go and play for their country or represent Wales in club competitions as well as the national team. So yeah, we really want to just see the game grow and develop and support Welsh football as another opportunity.
So the league launches in October. Richard, can you just tell us a little bit about how a club would get involved in the league?
Yeah, so we're looking for clubs to apply. There's an application form on the FAW website. There's some guidelines there as well. If clubs need any support, they can contact the FAW and get in touch, and we're happy to support. But basically, yeah, clubs just have to complete the application form and submit that by the 15th of July, and then we're looking for the league to kick off in October later this year.
Thank you, Richard.